In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your address in the Shopee dashboard. Whether you've moved recently or you want to ensure your parcels always arrive at the right place, keeping your address up to date is essential. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you step by step to make it as clear and easy as possible. Let's get started by heading to the Shopee dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your account, from viewing past orders to updating your personal information. Once you're on the Shopee website, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice your username displayed prominently. Click on your username. This is your gateway to managing your account settings. After you click on your username, you'll be taken to a new page that includes a variety of options to choose from. What you want to do here is navigate to the My Account section. Clicking on My Account opens up more detailed options on the left-hand side of the screen that pertain specifically to your personal information. Now, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar where you'll find different sections available. You're going to look for an option that says Addresses. This section is crucial as it contains all the current addresses associated with your account. Click on Addresses to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Addresses section, you'll see any existing addresses you've added in the past. To input a new address, look for a button that says Add New Address. Clicking this button will open up a form where you can enter your new details. Carefully fill out the form with your most up-to-date information. Be sure to include your name, contact number, region, and postal code. Accuracy is key here to ensure your packages reach their intended destination without any issues. Double-check these details to avoid any potential delivery hiccups. Finally, after entering all the necessary information, you'll need to save these changes. Look for the Submit button and give it a click. By clicking Submit, you're confirming that the details are correct and finalizing the addition of your new address. And that's it! You've successfully added a new address to your Shopee account. This small act makes a significant difference by ensuring that any purchases you make will be sent exactly where they need to go. Keeping your address updated is a simple but crucial aspect of enjoying a seamless shopping experience on Shopee. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and